Welcome to the Boating Adventure. On the home page of the channel you will find videos for you, the latest videos and posts. There are currently in excess of 540 videos in the back catalogue of the Boating Adventure. Videos covering a whole range of subjects related to boating. You can choose to display them by popularity or in chronological orders. There are also a number of shorts. My videos are also organised into playlists to help you find videos of particular areas and subjects. There are regular posts to keep you informed of what's coming next. These are usually posted on Sundays at 5 PM UK time. There is a Boating Adventure community tab where others can post, like this one from River Canal Rescue.
We're just going to slacken it off and we're just going to move it along.
We were just making
They videoed the recent work that they did on my boat, the Swamp Duck.
That's the steering column. Right, rest it there.
I've set my own channel up and I just do all things about boating and the boat in general and the way I fixed it all up from being a bit of a wreck to what it is now. It's called the Boating Adventure.